Hi, and welcome to this video on water ingress prevention assembly for the Pro Gen 4 multi-sensor outdoor installation. If the camera is installed without the supplied grommets as directed in the quick start guide, water can enter the camera body via the cable entry holes. This video will show you how to properly assemble the camera to prevent any water ingress. You will need the two supplied grommets, the screwdriver, and the two supplied desiccant packs. The two key elements to prevent water ingress are the two rubber grommets and the rubber seal. Begin by ensuring the black rubber seal is flush and secure to the camera itself. Then, using 3 fingers, remove the nipple from the rubber grommet. Next, insert the Ethernet cable through the grommet using the RJ45 injector tool, and feed the Ethernet cable through the grommet securely. Next, align the first grommet and ensure it is flush to the camera. Ethernet cable can now be connected to the port as shown. Align the second grommet and ensure it is also flush to the camera. Please ensure that both supplied grommets are secured and flush to the camera, and check both sides to ensure that grommets are both secure and flush. Next, close the port lid as shown on screen. Next, ensure that the camera base is secure and aligned correctly, and tighten the 2 provided screws and secure the base correctly as shown. If not secured properly, water ingress could occur here between the dome base and mounting plate. Please note, fit the desiccant packs to the pan base for added moisture protection. When fitting the bubble trim ring, it is important that the screws are tightened in a star pattern. Using a ring pattern, there is a potential that the trim ring will not align correctly with the camera seal, allowing water to penetrate the camera body. The star pattern means that you must start with screw number 1 and continuing up along in sequential order and finishing with screw number 6 as shown. Using a screwdriver and approximately 75% tighten each of the 6 bubble trim ring screws in order, and then use the screwdriver to fully tighten all 6 bubble trim ring screws as shown on screen. And please note, the rubber gasket for the pendant cap as shown is not responsible for sealing the camera.